Hey there, this is me, Wafi. Today, we're diving into a topic that many English learners grapple with: how to build confidence while speaking English. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your skills, these tips will help you feel more assured during your conversations. First and foremost, accept that it's okay to make mistakes. Every language learner makes them, and they are a natural part of the learning process. Believe me. And remember, even native speakers make errors. Embrace your mistakes as opportunities to learn and improve. Take notes of where you struggle to express yourself and start from there. The second tip is to practice regularly. Find language exchange partners, join conversation clubs, or even practice speaking in front of a mirror. Trust me, it really works. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become. Additionally, use language learning apps or online platforms to connect with others. Once smart and not often shared, try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. This shift can help you respond more quickly and reduce the anxiety of searching for words in your mind. Start with simple thoughts and gradually move to more complex ones. You can start by doing online research, writing your to-do list or to-buy list, and the conversations you have in your mind in English. This creates new neural pathways in your brain and helps train and process language. I will link the University of California, San Francisco website in the description below if you're interested in this topic. Start by practicing common phrases and expressions. Knowing how to respond in everyday situations can boost your confidence. Prepare phrases for greetings, introductions, and common conversational topics, so you feel ready when speaking. For this, I will share videos in everyday situation for you to improve your vocabulary and thus confidence. Remember, the goal of speaking a language is to communicate effectively, not perfectly. Focus on getting your message understood using simple words rather than stressing about complex vocabulary, grammatical errors, or pronunciation. Your audience is more interested in what you are saying rather than how perfectly you say it. Another effective technique is to record yourself speaking English. Listen to the recordings to identify areas for improvement, but also notice your progress. This will not only help you sharpen your skills, but also boost your confidence as you see how far you've come. And here is the fun part. Get yourself in the language, like swimming in a vast sea. Well, the sea will be English learning. Listen to English podcasts, watch movies or series, and read books in English. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more comfortable you will become with speaking it. One extra tip to practice the tone of your voice is that you can repeat after actors' lines to set your tone and gain more confidence in speaking. The last tip is, don't hesitate to seek feedback from friends, teachers, or language partners. Constructive criticism can help you improve, but remember to celebrate your improvements, no matter how small. Building confidence takes time, but with these tips, you'll get there. Each step is closer to fluency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.